The different municipalities comprising the province of Quirino in Region 2 or Cagayan Valley region. The province of Quirino has the municipality of Cabarugis as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 2 or Cagayan Valley region. It is composed of 0 city, 6 municipalities, and 132 barangays. It was founded on June 18, 1966. The total land area is 2,319.66 kilometers squared or 895.63 square miles. The province of Quirino is bordered clockwise from the north by Isabela, Aurora, and Nueva Vizcaya. Here are the different municipalities comprising the province of Quirino in Region 2 or Cagayan Valley region. The municipality of Aglipay with 25 barangays, the municipality of Cabarugis, which also serves as the provincial center or the provincial capital with 17 barangays, the municipality of Difun with 33 barangays, the municipality of Madela with 32 barangays, the municipality of Nagtipunan with 16 barangays, and the municipality of Saguday with 9 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities comprising the province of Quirino in Region 2 or Cagayan Valley region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.